So what do you need to know about AppDB.Studio installation and licensing? First step, go to AppDB.Studio and download the free Community Edition. It weighs about 20 megs. Before you run the setup.exe though, make sure you have SQL Server Management Studio version 17 installed. Another requirement is SQL Server Local DB, but that one is installed automatically by the setup. Once installed, you'll see the AppDB.Studio docked window next time you open Management Studio. The Templates menu will be selected by default. Most features are free, but you require a license to unlock two features: Custom Templates here, and Repair and Diagnostics that are limited to 20 objects. So you'll need to add a filter on up to 20 objects before you're allowed to run it. If you don't want these limitations, buy a license online on AppDB.Studio. The pricing is different whether you're an individual or represent a company. Also, there's no yearly recurring cost, because you'll buy a specific version, not a subscription. Once you get the license number by email, you can open the license menu and input your serial number here. And that's it.